Welcome to Fashion Forward, your premier guide to everything bold, elegant, and cutting-edge in women's footwear. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, a stylist, or just someone who loves the click-clack of a great pair of heels, this video is tailor-made for you. Today, we're stepping into the world of stiletto high heels, designer mules, and all the trend-setting women's shoes making waves in 2025. From futuristic designs to eco-friendly styles, get ready for an inspiring, stylish journey through the most glamorous walkways of fashion. Stiletto evolution. More than a heel. 2025 is officially the renaissance of the stiletto. But these aren't the same stilettos from past decades. The new generation combines elegance, innovation, and comfort. Designers have focused on redefining the heel architecture itself. We're seeing twisted metal heels, invisible arch supports, and hybrid stilettos with embedded gel cushions. Comfort meets couture like never before. Luxury labels like Amina Mwadi are pioneering sculptural heels, while Balenciaga is launching ultra-minimalist stilettos with exaggerated toe boxes. It's all about contrast, the sharpness of the heel against the softness of materials like velvet, mesh, and bioleather. And let's not forget the illusion heels, where transparent elements make it seem like you're floating. They're a hit on the red carpet and on social media. Mules 2.0 slip-on stand out. Mules have gone from easy slip-ons to statement fashion pieces. 2025 is the year of the maximalist mule. Embellished with oversized buckles, embroidered florals, beaded tassels, and architectural heels, mules have truly evolved. Designers are merging traditional materials with futuristic ideas, such as pairing linen with metal or denim with Swarovski crystals. We also see ethnic-inspired mules rising in popularity, especially in global markets like the Middle East and South Asia. Beaded embroidery and pointed fronts are merging global culture with high-end style. Mules now span every occasion, from brunch to boardroom to bridal. You'll find flat woven styles perfect for beach weddings and ultra-high versions made of silk for cocktail events. Trending colors, shapes, and textures. Colors this year are bolder and braver. Alongside classics like black, tan, and nude, we have electric blue, cherry red, emerald green, molten gold, holographic finishes. Texture-wise, feather detailing, lace overlays, and braided leathers dominate. One surprising trend? Quilted heels, yes, padded heels that add volume and comfort while making a visual impact. Designers are also reshaping the toe box. Square and almond shapes are giving pointy toes serious competition. Fashion isn't one size fits all. Let's look at regional shoe trends. In Paris and Milan, stilettos feature more luxurious fabrics like velvet and brocade. Style leans romantic and artistic. In Tokyo, futurism rules. Think metallic mules with LED soles and tech-embedded heels. In Los Angeles, there's a trend toward effortless chic, muted tones, clear heels, and laid-back designs. In Dubai, extravagance takes center stage with gold-threaded stilettos and gem-encrusted sandals. Fashion is becoming more inclusive and cultural. Designers are merging heritage craftsmanship with contemporary fashion to tell new stories through shoes. Here are some must-know names and what they're offering in 2025. Manolo Blahnik, lace stilettos with jeweled fastenings, perfect for bridal season. Prada, geometric mule heels with interchangeable straps. Dior, launching eco-luxury stilettos with bio-silk linings. Off-White, bold typography and industrial designs on minimalist silhouettes. Plus, independent designers on platforms like Etsy and Depop are getting noticed for their handcrafted, customized stilettos and mules. Beyoncé stunned at the 2025 Grammys in transparent butterfly wing stilettos. Hailey Bieber stepped out in silk mules with pearl chains, setting Instagram ablaze. And Blackpink's Lisa rocked neon wedge mules in Seoul, instantly going viral. TikTok has birthed the Heel Challenge, where influencers showcase how many styles they can wear in one day, from stilettos with joggers to mules with suits. Street fashion is proving that heels are no longer reserved for special occasions. Women are confidently wearing stilettos with oversized hoodies, denim sets, and even biker shorts. Health, function meets fashion. Gone are the days of choosing between comfort and style. Brands now offer orthopedic stilettos with arch support, cushioned insole mules, moisture-wicking linings for all-day wear, non-slip tech in outsole design. Even high-heeled styles now come with shock absorption pads, toe box padding, and heel stabilizers, all without compromising the aesthetic. If you're shopping on a budget, look for brands like Zara, Aldo, and Steve Madden, trendy and affordable. ASOS and Pretty Little Thing, especially great for bold designs and party heels. Shine and Vivaya, known for sustainability and variety. Net-a-Porter, Farfetch, and Mitarisa offer curated stiletto collections. Boutique stores on Instagram often carry limited editions and handmade mules. Use shopping filters wisely. Sort by heel height, material, toe shape, and occasion to find your perfect pair. Shoes are getting smarter. We're talking about temperature-regulating heels, self-cleaning surfaces, modular heels that snap on or off, augmented reality try-on mirrors. Fashion is merging with technology, sustainability, and personalization. Soon, you may design your own stilettos using a mobile app and have them 3D printed to your exact fit. Conclusion: confidence starts at the feet. From stiletto skyscrapers to laid-back luxe mules, 2025 is all about personal expression. Don't follow every trend. Pick the ones that make you feel powerful, elegant, and authentically you. Here at Fashion Forward, we're not just showcasing shoes. We're highlighting the movement behind them, the stride, the confidence, the transformation. Stiletto high-heel mules have become a fashion-forward symbol of elegance, sophistication, and bold feminine energy. With their open-back design and slender high heels, they offer the perfect combination of comfort and striking appearance. Whether you're heading to a glamorous evening party, a romantic dinner, or simply stepping out for a stylish day look, stiletto mules are the go-to choice for the modern woman. What makes stiletto mules so popular is their versatility. They come in a wide variety of materials: smooth leather for a classic vibe, suede for soft elegance, patent finish for high-shine drama, and even transparent or embellished versions for a runway-ready flair. From neutral tones like black, beige, and white to bold colors like red, emerald, or metallic gold, there's a pair for every mood and moment. The sleek silhouette of stiletto mules makes them a statement piece. You can pair them with skinny jeans, tailored trousers, or midi skirts to add instant glamour to your look. Love the styles we showcased? Let us know in the comments which stiletto mule caught your eye. We're always excited to hear your thoughts. And if you're passionate about staying ahead in fashion trends, don't forget to like this video, share it with your fashion-forward friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the most glamorous, trending, and stunning women's footwear collections. Until next time, stay fierce, stay fabulous, and keep strutting in. Welcome to Fashion Forward, your premier guide to everything bold, elegant, and cutting-edge in women's footwear. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast, a stylist, or just someone who loves the click-clack of a great pair of heels, this video